most important factor to be considered while having any blood collection center for any pathology franchisee. Okay, so very specific. Which proximity to be considered? What are the important license to be considered? Staff selection means for a pathology franchisee. Okay. So let me talk about the pathology franchisee, and then sir, you can talk about the things, the factors while having blood collection. Okay. See, if you are getting any pathology franchisee or your own setup, it has to be taken as a fresh setup. All the laws, statutory clearances, or whatever is required, franchisee has to do that. Okay, it is not as if the main franchisor will give you some kind of leeway in that. He has no power in doing that. Whatever, even if it is a franchisee, you have to follow every other things which a new setup has to follow. Okay, which proximity to be considered? Of course, you should be near to the hospital hub or a residential thing. Otherwise, where you will get the customers. So you should be able to understand what is your target market, whether it is a B2B or B2C. Okay, if it is a B2B, you need to have a various setups or connections or tie up with a lot of hospitals. Then
Amit, please explain B2B and B2C also. Everybody doesn't know that.
Okay, so B2B means business to business. That means your main clients are corporates or hospitals, right? Or B2C is directly you are approaching to the customer. So then your setup has to be in residential area. And if it is B2B, like business to business, then your setup should be near to the hospital hub. Correct? What are the important license to be considered? Again, the same, everything, all the laws which for a diagnostic center, which we have already given in our academy. The whole module is there for diagnostic center. Go through it. You will get clarity in there. Staff selection. Again, the HR module which we have talked in the academy. You go through the all HR module. You will get understanding how to get. So there are different layers. Okay, lower staff, middle staff, higher staff. Everyone needs to have a different policy and different way of selection. So we have discussed in detail. Please go through those videos. Okay, at least you should, all people who are here, at least you should go through the 5 core modules, which everyone will be requiring. Okay, the 5 core modules are must for everyone, and then you can choose and pick and choose from your bonus section, whatever you want. But the 5 modules are very important, and 5 module is just 5 hours. Okay, you can get through them very quickly if you just dedicate or consciously some time to it, right sir? So I've already, like, most important factor to be considered while doing while having any blood collection center for any. So anything on that? I don't know about that.
See, can I share the screen?
Yes, let me stop. Yeah, now you can share.
So basically, I will share this document with all of you. This is a standard for collection center. The updated draft, and there is a template for the minimum standards. So here everything explained. What is the collection center? What are the scope of services? How the patient should be prepared? Are you able to see that?
Yes, it is.
What is the infrastructure? What is required? This is according to the CE clinical establishment. So what all things you require and what is needed, all the whole guidelines is there. Where to put the safety signages, how to do that, right? What is the space requirement? What all space should be allocated? And these are all mandatory. I mean, because CE is actually not a guiding document, it is a mandatory document. What human resources require, right? Minimum, how much? And what are the equipments again? What are the legal requirements? Compliances, so, and what records you have to keep.
Give this document. I will upload in the below this.
Yeah, video. Just below the thing you will get it.
Okay.
I'll just share this. We are not going to read it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice. So it will give all the clarity, all the answers to this particular question.
All of you can go through if you are interested in a collection center.
Correct.